Okay, so the first thing you're gonna need to do is go to the Penn State Pressbooks site, and I sent you the link to this in an email, so go ahead and get that in your browser, then click on Sign In. The account I created for you uses your Penn State user ID, so that's what you would put under username. And then password, it should be the system generated password that you were sent in the email from Pressbooks. If you want, you can click on Remember Me so that your browser keeps this and you can get back to it. I'm going to log in and I'm going to go to my books. Now, I have admin access because I can create accounts for people, so I'm not sure if this page is going to look a lot different for you, but you should just see one book as well, so that might be up here. And I'm going to go to your book. Now you should be able to, I think you do have this view. So you can either visit book, which will take you to a page where you can kind of flip through, see what's there. But I'm going to go to visit admin. Okay, and you can see this is what I've already created. So let me start. I'm going to show you how you can change what's called the front matter, the welcome page that I put together. Okay, so I just clicked on it. I'm here. This should look familiar to you. This is, the simple text editor. If for some reason you do have HTML code you want to paste in, you just click on text and you can put it right in there. One thing I wanted to show you in this message, or in this text, you had a link to YouTube. So I did put that in. It was very simple. I just copy pasted from what you had in Sites into the visual editor, and the link worked and everything. It came over. But if you click on, if you click on this, okay, and click on the edit, and then click on link options, if you would like, you can have it open in a new tab. So I wanted to show you that option. So you could click that and then hit update if you'd like it to do that. Right now it opens in the same window. Okay, so let's say then you want to go back. So I'm going to hover over here on text and I'm going to go to organize. I like to work in that layout because it kind of shows you everything you have there. Okay, so as you can see, this was the introduction we were just at. This was lesson 1, and again, as I had mentioned, this is actually a part. So they kind of have it, I'm not sure why, but the naming conventions can be just a bit confusing. That is actually a part, but I think of it as a lesson or a chapter. And then these are called chapters, but really these are your pages. So if you would like to go in and edit, now this is the first page in the lesson 1. I'm going to click on edit. And that's kind of the introduction there. So that would be, if you want to create an introduction for each lesson, that's where you would put that information under the part text. Okay, so I'm going to go back again. I'm going to go to organize. And let's say I want to add a page for lesson 1. I'm going to go over here and do add chapter. And I'm going to say, you can put whatever title you want there, lesson 1, page 4, okay, just for now. Okay. Just scrolling through to look here. I'm just going to click publish and then you can see where it came up. Okay, so I'm going to go back to organize. And there it is, it's right there. Okay, so anytime you want to edit something you've already created, very simple, just go to edit. Add page would be add chapter. Now lesson 2, like I said, I created this as a part, so let me show you how to do that. We'll do lesson 4. So I'm going to go here and say add part, lesson 4. going to put Introduction to Lesson 4 goes here. I'm going to save it. Okay, we're going to go back. We're going to go to, we're going to go to Organize. And there it is. You want to add a page to it, add a chapter. Hit publish. There it is. Now, if you want to see how your book looks up to this point, you just go to Visit Book and then click on Read